Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa.O. It's your girl Amofa.O, and on today's video I have this extra pink look going on here. It's in collaboration with a lot of lovely ladies, and I'm gonna leave all their pictures on the screen. We have myself, Afoma of Amofa.O, obviously. We have Candace from Candace Hampton. We have Rachael, Rae Young, that's her channel name. We have Lisa, the Curvy, Cuban. We have Samantha, Slaczka. We have Shelly. Then we have Sara of Tara Beauty. So those are the ladies I did this collaboration with, and as you can see from the title of my video, Stinking Pink, June 23rd, it's supposed to be National Pink Day. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful pink look, if I do say so myself, stay tuned, okay? And guys, don't forget to check out those other ladies to see their videos. I will link a video playlist which has all their videos in it so you can see what they are doing and show them some support too. Actually, I did my whole face but this eye off camera, and we're gonna do it on the other eye. And while I'm doing it, if any inspiration comes from within, we're gonna add something else to this eye. I'm gonna go into my Jackie eyeliner palette, and I'm going into this color called Pinkier, and that's what I'm going to use here. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go into Pinkier. Now Pinkier in the pan, it kind of looks like a dark pink, but it's really like a purple, and in line with the theme called Stinking Pink, I wanted to do more pink, so I did this and then I switched gear immediately to a lighter color so I don't have such a dark purple on my lid. So I'm going into this Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and it has a really bright pink, and I'm going to put that on top of this purple color to brighten it up, and I am just blending immediately. I'm not pressing it in, I'm just blending it because the purpose of this color is to lighten up this look. For my brow bone, I went into this brown in the Jackie eyeliner palette called Ginger, and I use the same brush that I use for the pink in the Zulu palette, and I just lightly blended that in. I'm using my white Colourpop concealer and a flat brush, and I'm gonna cut my crease just so that the pink that I use pops a bit more on the eyelid. And as always, I don't really talk when I'm doing this, so it's the same old that I usually do. I've cut the crease, and this is just the base for what I'm about to do now. First of all, I'm going to go into my Majestic Galaxy palette from JCat, and it has two pinks that I'm going to use. First of all, I'm going to go into this pink, which is called Super Cluster. Then I'm going to go into this pink called Asteroid. So Super Cluster I'm going to paste in the middle of my lid, like as if I was doing a halo. Then I'm going to go into Asteroid, and I'm going to place that in the outer corner of my eye. My normal makeup look, I would always use like a shimmer color in the inner corner, but I decided to do something different, and I'm going in with a matte color from the Jackie eyeliner palette, and this color is called Supreme, and I'm going to place that in my inner. Well, I'm going to go in the inner eye, and then I'm going to bring it down under my eye just a bit. I'm just going to take the same brush that I use for Super Cluster and just blend in that matte and shimmer shade. I've never been the type of person to put a matte in the inner corner of my eyes, and I actually think this is quite revolutionary for me. So now for my gel eyeliner, I used a purple, and I'm going with this Colourpop gel liner. It's in the shade called Champer. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to take an angled brush, proceed to do a wing liner. Alright, so this is the look so far. Now I'm gonna put my lashes on, and this is I've forgotten the name of these lashes, to be quite honest with you, but so let me just prep it, put it on. Before I put on my lashes, I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is the Maybelline mascara called Falsy. It's always important to put your mascara on so that your lashes have a base to blend with. Now I've not even decided whether I'm putting anything on my bottom lash line, but I've applied mascara already, so it is what it is. So I'm just going on now with my lashes. Taking my tweezers, I'm just gonna pinch my lashes and the falsies together. I do have this NYX Vivid eyeliner, and it is in pink, and I do want to incorporate it. Where? I'm not sure, and I'm gonna use it to line where I did the purple liner. So what I did is I took it up just a little bit above it, so it looks like it's encasing the purple liners, but that looks nice. So this is it so far. I'm gonna line this eye because I did line this eye with a pencil, and this is the ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Best O. Like, if you can see this and you can see this, this is just a bit darker than this, and I'm going to use that to line my waterline. I'm going to go into Zulu and go into this pressed pigment, and I'm going to use that to line below my bottom lashes, even though I think the color is going to sort of blend into the mattes in the inner tear duct. But let's see. The eye look is complete. I did put on some blush, pink, and I did put on some highlight, but I think I want to go in with more blush, and I'm using the blushed neutral palette, and I'm taking this shimmery color and just putting on some more so that there's more of a pop. I like the shimmer in it. It goes with the whole color story of this look. This is the Black Radiance medium to dark contour palette. I'm gonna take the highlight shade and I'm gonna apply more highlight. Now for lips, in line with the whole stinking pink, we are gonna do some pink lips. And for this combination today, I'm gonna create it in a sort of an ombre effect. So I'm gonna go in first with the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lipstick in the shade Sassy, and then I'm gonna put this NYX shade called Ibiza in the middle to create sort of a gradient. This is a whole lot of pink on one face, come on. But it doesn't look that bad. That highlight, popping. I feel like I'm on the cover of some magazine where you just keep your lips puckered like. Watching, guys, this is my look for the collaboration titled Stinking Pink. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.